stop scrolling. Because if you've ever looked at a pile of old clothes and thought, there's nothing here, this video is about to completely change how you see it. Today, we're diving into 25 ideas for clothes you can upcycle into pieces you'll actually want to wear. Every idea in this video was found while scrolling Pinterest. And I've linked my Pinterest board in the description so you can check out the original inspiration and patterns for yourself. I want you to watch closely, pick your favorite idea, and drop it in the comments, because once we hit 100 votes, I might recreate the winning one in my own style right here on the channel. Some of these are simple, some are surprisingly creative, but all of them prove you don't need to buy new clothes to have a wardrobe that looks amazing. So instead of seeing old clothes as something to get rid of, start seeing them as something you can completely transform. Because today, we're turning what you already have into something you actually love to wear. You become the designer when you start upcycling your clothes, and that's something most people don't realize until they actually try it. At first, it might feel like you're just changing a hem or altering something small, but the moment you start making decisions about fabric, shape, and style, you're no longer just wearing clothes, you're creating them. That shift is powerful because it takes you from being someone who shops for identity to someone who builds it piece by piece. Instead of being limited to what stores decide is trendy, you get to decide what looks good on you, what fits your personality, and what actually feels right when you wear it. Even a simple oversized shirt or old dress can turn into something completely different once you start cutting, reshaping, and imagining new possibilities. And the more you do it, the more confident you become in trusting your own creative instincts, even without instructions. That's when it really clicks that style isn't something you buy, it's something you design. There's also something deeply satisfying about wearing something knowing no one else has it, because you made it, shaped it, and brought it back to life from something that might have been forgotten. It changes how you see your entire closet, because suddenly nothing feels like waste anymore. Everything feels like potential. If you're enjoying content like this, make sure you like and subscribe for more sewing inspiration, upcycling ideas, and creative ways to transform your wardrobe without spending a fortune. And as you keep watching, start thinking less about what you're supposed to wear and more about what you can create. Because that's where you stop following fashion and start becoming the designer.